So we are doing this today. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to make a bridal and fan. There's this trending bridal and fan that we are going to make, the one that is made with the sequins, okay? It's not the popular feathers. Okay, so the materials you'll be needing, I will need our sequins, okay? And this is the small size and we have the big size, so it depends on what you have on ground. Okay, it depends on what is available. The first one I did, I used the bigger size, and I used 60 pieces of it because they were bigger and they were bolder. But these are smaller ones, and I might be needing like 100 pieces of it. I got the full pack. Okay, so I got this full pack, 10,000. Okay, but they do retail. If you go to where they sell these materials, they do retail. I think the last time I bought 50 pieces was 5,000, and my customer was saying that 50 pieces was going to be okay for the work. Please, I had used a smaller skeleton for that. That was why 50 pieces, she said 50 pieces would be okay. But this is a bigger skeleton. So if I use a bigger skeleton, I'm not sure that 50 pieces would have been okay for that, okay? So please take note that the size of the skeleton will determine the quantity of the sequence you will use. And it will also determine the amount you are going to charge. Okay, please take note of that. So this is like, when I counted this, it was like 174 pieces. So I think I'll be using this like twice or thrice depending on their size. Okay, so we are going to work with our scissors. This is our razor blade. And this is our trimmings. We are using two different types of trimmings. Okay, this is trimming number 1. And this is trimming number 2. They all have their different purposes. This is trimming number 2. Okay? We have this in different designs and colors. It depends on what you want to make. But I'm making a green and gold combination. So we have our fringes, and we have our alphabet. I'm going to make a customized and we have our alphabet. And we have our bridal satin. Okay, our bridal satin. We are making a gold and green, so we need a gold background. But why I'm using this satin is because I'm making a customized hand fan. If I wasn't making a customized hand fan, I would have just used my bias. I would have used my bias. I would have just a gold bias to use it to wrap. Okay? I would have just used it to wrap. I don't have my bias, I would have shown you. Just use it to wrap. But I'm making a customized one, so I need the background to be smooth and neat. Working with my gum, working with my elbow stick, and I'm working with